Hey, good morning. My name's Tom, and this video we're going to show you how to empty your hot tub and refill it. It's about a 20-step process, but don't make that scary. It's not hard. But there was really nothing I could find that helped me, so I thought I'd just put this together because it's that time where I've got to redo the hot tub. It's a little bit cloudy, but we've had this water in here since February, and we live in northeast Wisconsin right now. Not right now, here. And so the last time we did it was in February when it was a nice day. We'll show you what's involved here. Okay, so here's a quick view of the site. You can see the hot tub, and if you look to your right in the back, you'll see the power source. In Wisconsin, at least, by code, that has to be in direct line sight of the hot tub. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to take the filter out. All right, every one of these has a filter. So I'm going to go and do that right now. Okay, so first thing we're going to do here is we're going to pull the filter out. All the hot tubs are different. Sometimes this takes a little bit of coercion. There's a little tray in here. Usually keep a Sandy stick, it's called. Now I'm going to put a link to that. Get that on Amazon. That gets replaced about every 3 or 4 months. And then you unscrew this a little bit. The filter, don't over tighten these. They can be in there just very, very loosely. So there's the filter. You want to take that and thoroughly clean it, okay? And then I want you to see this. This is called Leisure Time. It's jet clean. So you put this in the hot tub. You turn the hot tub on for 20 minutes so it gets into all the pipes. And the purpose of this is to clean out all the sediment, hair, grease that may be in the plumbing of the system. So you run it for 20 minutes, you let it sit for an hour, and then you come back, you do another 20 minutes. Okay, so this is Leisure Time Jet Clean. This is 16 fluid ounces. All we're going to do is we're going to pour it in, and then we're going to turn the tub on for 20 minutes. Now my particular tub, which is a Viking spa, it runs automatically for 20 minutes, so I just try to spread it out a little. Okay, so now we're going to turn it on. I've got two sets of jets. I'm going to put them both on and let them run for 20 minutes. Okay, now while the hot tub is running for 20 minutes, then we're going to let it sit for an hour, do its magic in the plumbing, and then run it for 20 minutes. I want to show you a few other things, kind of what's going to be leading up to the next step. So we're going to move over here to the right, and when it gets done sitting and then running again, the next step is we're going to drain the hot tub. And the fastest way to drain a hot tub is to have a pump. So this is my pump. You just drop it in and let it do its business. It takes about 20 minutes. Otherwise, if you unscrew a plug that is typically in the bottom of a hot tub, it will take, at least in my case, about 2 hours, a little over 2 hours. So this really speeds up the process, and if you're draining one in winter, that's a nice thing to have. So my particular pump is called an AquaScape, but you know, any submersible pump will do. And then I also have this, which is just inexpensive vinyl tubing, really, vinyl tubing, and that I connect to here with a C-clamp. All right, so you might say, well, what's a C-clamp? Because again, I don't know what you know or don't know, but this little is a C-clamp. So that will help hold on, hold the vinyl on. Then I can run this out to the yard while it drains. So that's going to be, that'll be the next step here in a little bit. Okay, you may remember when we removed the filter, there was a little filter door. I'll just pick this up. You can see that's where the water flows in and out. And here's the back side. It's got little channels or grooves. Try to get in here where it just, you put it in, it slides on. And then inside there is a little tray. Keep this ZODIAC, it's called the ZODIAC, that's the brand, and I'll provide more information on that. That helps keep the water clean. And then I continually have in one of these, which is Clorox Cool and Spa Extra Blue Chlorine tablet. These are 1-inch tablets. And I just keep one in the tray, and when it dissolves, I throw another one in. That helps keep the pool refreshed. So that's Clorox. I get that from Amazon. Now sometimes when you're running this with the I'll call it the cleaner, okay, you can get a lot of suds, a lot of foam. Right now I don't see any. I don't know what causes the foam, but they suggest that if that happens, you just shut your unit off for an hour, let it settle down, and then start it again. So this is what we look at from the hot tub. Again, we're here in northeast Wisconsin. It's really nice sitting here year-round, even in the middle of winter. Kind of makes it more interesting, you know, when it's 20 below zero. So that's it. So we'll be back once we're ready to empty the hot tub. Okay, I mentioned the ZODIAC, what do they call this? A mineral sanitizer for spas. This is a different brand called Natur2. They're identical. I get these off of Amazon. I usually jot the date down when I get them. I just put a new one in, so this round I'm not going to be putting a new one in, but I think you change them out every 3 to 4 months. So that's what that is. Okay, we happen to live we have a well system here, and we have a lot of iron in the water. So if we fill up the hot tub, which is unconditioned water, it's very rusty. So we use one of these. This is a RV marine water filter, and so we hook up a hose. Then we put this, we attach this, and then we attach another hose. So essentially this filters the water and eliminates all of that iron. So if you have iron problems or problems with your water, you'll want to use one of these. We use one of these for every time we fill it. So I go through 3 or 4 of these a year. I get this from Amazon as well.